Hello everyone, my name is Rahul Srivastava and today I am going to teach you biology of class 9, chapter 5, our environment. First is resource. Resource that fulfill the need of an organism or satisfy the need of an organism. Resources are categorized into two parts, natural resources and artificial resources. Natural resources are the resources which we gain from nature, just like air, water, soil, mineral, plant and animals. And the artificial resources, the resources which we gain from the man-made effort or man effort that is called man-made resources. The outer crust of the earth is lithosphere and the water on the earth it is called hydrosphere and the air which is around the earth it is called atmosphere. All these three spheres interact to each other form biosphere where the life is possible. Air. Air is the mixture of gases like nitrogen, carbon dioxide, oxygen, water vapor and many more. Air is used for respiration and also help in photosynthesis which absorb carbon dioxide. Oxygen play an important role in the formation of carbon dioxide, metal oxide, combustion of flame, created pressure in the tire and many more. It also play an important role to maintain the heat or temperature in our surrounding that is called during daytime cool air or warm air move upward because warm air are lighter than cool air and wind move with the help of air. If air is not there then we cannot think to sustain in the environment. Next is the rain. Rain when the water body heated during the daytime and large scale of water vapor rise up and these vapor get converted into the condensation and after cloud formation take place and after the precipitation the water comes in the form of rain and bigger drop of water falls down in the form of rain, snow and hail and many more which play an important role in the agriculture field and so on. Next is the air pollution. When the pollutants, it means pollution causing agent mix with the air and destroy the amount of the percentage composition of air on that time air pollution takes place. Air pollution generally takes place with the help of burning of fossil fuel like coal and petroleum and a small amount of uh, pollution can created by with the help of substances like oxide of sulfur, nitrogen and burning of many metals. During cold weather, along with the condensed water, it converts into the smoke, which is uh, create a fog-like structure, just like you can see over the skin. Water. Water is the precious element of environment. The chemical formula of water is H2O, which, as you know, that one third of the earth is surrounded by water, and only 1% of water is present in the form of potable water. As you know, that potable water means the water which is fit to drink, and water is needed by a living organism because all life process are taken place or continuously circulated with the help of water. And when we mix pollutant just like oil and garbage and plastic and other metals, the water, the potability of water gets destroyed and which lead to cause water pollution. By doing so, the aquatic animal as well as plant, the life of aquatic animal as well plant get destroyed. Soil. As you know that soil is the mixture of sand particle, rock particle. As you know the soil is formed by the breaking down of rock on the surface of the earth by physical, chemical and biological process. These process is known as weathering. Weathering process can be done by the when the sun heated the rock particle during the daytime and rock particle get expanded during the night. And when the cool and high heat temperature get present near the rock particle, these kind of rock particle get cracked, show the cracks continuously break down in the smaller pieces which lead to cause the formation of soil. As you know that the soil is a mixture of decaying material, mineral, water, air, and where the humus play an important role with creating the fertility of the soil. And after when we mix the pollutant just like a plastic paper, oil, and many more, which lead to cause soil pollution. By doing so, when we mix a fertilizer, chemical substance like insecticide, pesticide, herbicide, which decrease the amount of mineral in the soil and which lead to cause soil pollution. Soil erosion can be done by the excessive amount of grazing, deforestation, and many other activity performed by human beings. But we can stop this soil erosion by afforestation or less grazing and construction of bonds, terrace dam, and many more. Now, the last topic of this chapter is biogeochemical cycle. Biogeochemical cycle means the transfer of matter or energy between biotic and abiotic component of the biosphere. The biochemical cycles are water cycle, nitrogen cycle, carbon cycle, and oxygen cycle. Water cycle, as you know that water bodies are heated during the daytime and the large amount of water get evaporated by transpiration and evaporation of the water, and which lead after that they condense at a place and which form cloud, and after cloud get busted down after precipitation the rainwater comes on the ground, and after these same process are continuously performing again and the cloud again form, water come again towards the ground, and the water cycles continuously regulated. Here you can see that the ocean water get heated down and the condensation of water vapor takes place which form cloud formation. After that precipitation, the water comes down the ground and groundwater sent to the ocean, and again this process takes place. Now the nitrogen cycle. As you know that nitrogen is present near about 78% in environment, but no one organism can directly consume nitrogen. As you know that nitrogen is a chief component of protein, nucleic acid, and some other vitamins. But nitrogen can be absorbed by only plant, which is a nitrogenous plant, or some with the help of bacteria. That is called nitrogen fixation. Fixation. The chart of nitrogen fixation are present on your screen. You can see that atmospheric nitrogen first taken place by an plant, and after that plant make protein which is consumed by animal, and after protein get after the ammonification it converted into the ammonia, and ammonia get turned into the nitrate, and after nitrite, and again this nitrate convert into the atmospheric nitrogen. After the continuous rotatory movement of nitrogen takes place in our surrounding. When the leguminous crop, it means the plant can which are leguminous, it means the pulses gram. The root nodules of rhizobium crop can absorb nitrogen through their root nodules, and the bacteria which is present on their root nodules like rhizobium leguminosarum or nitrobacter, they absorb this nitrogen in the form of nitrate, and after it convert into the proteinous material. Carbon cycle. Carbon is present in the form of carbon dioxide, which is used by plant through during the photosynthesis, and after during the photosynthesis the plant make their food in the form of carbohydrate, glucose, which is directly consumed by human being, and after human being consume this uh, nitrogen sorry carbon dioxide in the form of organic compounds just like glucose. During respiration they release carbon dioxide and uh, other material and get the energy, and after carbon dioxide again released in the environment. As you know that after combustion of fuel carbon dioxide is released in environment which balance the amount of carbon dioxide, but due to human activity, the amount of carbon dioxide is increase in our surrounding, and which lead to cause air pollution. Here you can see the chart of carbon cycle. Here atmospheric carbon dioxide gets absorbed by plant, which is turned in the form of various just like limestone, coal, petroleum, and other. And after that, during the respiration, the released carbon dioxide convert into the atmospheric carbon dioxide. But due to increasing of population, the amount of carbon dioxide is increased. Now the next is oxygen cycle. As you know that oxygen is present in our surrounding just like 22%, but it is used for respiration and combustion of fuel. But atmospheric nitrogen, when we respire and release carbon dioxide, and the carbon dioxide get absorbed by photosynthesis, the amount of oxygen get maintained. But due to less amount of plant, when we perform deforestation, which lead to cause decrease the amount of oxygen in our surrounding. By doing so, the oxygen cycle get destroyed. The last topic of this chapter is greenhouse effect and ozone layer. Greenhouse, the gases like carbon dioxide, methane, CFC, it means chlorofluorocarbon, trap the heat radiated by Earth and prevent the escape of heat from the Earth. The increase in the presence of these gases in the atmosphere cause increase the temperature of the atmosphere. This is called greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect can cause melting of polar ice, increase the sea level, flooding in the coastal area, and submerging of Iceland. The last topic of this chapter is ozone layer. Ozone is a trimolecule of oxygen. It is present in upper layer of atmosphere. It is a poisonous gas. It protects Earth from harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun, which harmful for living organisms. The ozone layer is being damaged by carbon compound like chlorofluorocarbon. To prevent the damage to the ozone layer, the use of CFC is being reduced. Uh, In the diagram, you can see the ozone layer, the effect of ozone layer on human being. Here you can see that the ozone layer it is present between the stratosphere and troposphere. Here you can see an image of Antarctica Ocean where the ozone layer depletion take place. Due to doing so, the Antarctic Ocean completely destroyed. Okay, thank you for listening and watching this video. In next video, you will learn about the next chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.